Imagine spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on a luxury car, only to find out it crumbles like a soda can when it faces a real crash test. Shocking, right? We often believe that if a car carries a hefty price tag, it automatically guarantees superior safety. But what if I told you that's not always the case? Today, we're diving into the top 10 luxury cars that got destroyed in truck crash tests. Some of these names will surprise you because they're brands that pride themselves on status, technology, and safety, but the results prove otherwise. So buckle up because what you're about to see will completely change the way you look at luxury cars. And stick around till the very end because number one on this list will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about expensive vehicles. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because we bring you jaw-dropping stories about cars, luxury, and the shocking truth behind the automotive industry that you won't want to miss. Number 10. Maserati Quattroporte. The Maserati Quattroporte has always been a symbol of Italian luxury, elegance, and performance. But when it came to truck collision tests, this car showed some shocking weaknesses. During side impact simulations with larger trucks, the structure didn't hold up as expected. Crumple zones collapsed faster than safety engineers predicted, and rear passenger safety scores were lower than average. For a car in the six-figure price range, people expected bulletproof safety, but the Quattroporte's results prove that style sometimes wins over structural strength. Number 9. Tesla Model S. Now, Tesla has always been praised for its futuristic tech and electric performance, but in truck crash simulations, the Model S raised some eyebrows. While it performed decently in frontal collisions, side impacts from larger vehicles told a different story. The battery pack and underbody design suffered damage that could potentially spark safety hazards in real-life crashes. For a brand that sells itself as the car of the future, many were shocked to see that its crash durability didn't always match its price or hype. Number 8. Bentley Continental GT. The Bentley Continental GT screams luxury from every angle, but in crash tests involving trucks, the outcome was far from glamorous. Despite its solid weight, the structure absorbed impact poorly in certain angles, and occupants in the back seat faced increased risks. Bentley emphasizes comfort and handcrafted interiors, but these results show that even a car costing well over $200,000 can fall short when tested against raw force. Number 7. Porsche Panamera. Porsche is famous for building precise, performance-driven machines, but the Panamera in truck impact simulations revealed some flaws. While the driver's area remained relatively intact in frontal collisions, side impacts with trucks caused significant intrusion into the cabin. Luxury sedans are supposed to balance speed and safety, but the Panamera's crash results prove that even German engineering can meet its limits under extreme conditions. Number 6. BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is the flagship of the brand, packed with cutting-edge tech, autonomous features, and world-class comfort. But when subjected to heavy truck crash testing, it didn't live up to expectations. The vehicle's frame absorbed impact poorly on the passenger side, and crash test dummies recorded higher injury risks compared to rival models. Buyers spending upwards of $100,000 might assume the ultimate luxury sedan would protect them flawlessly, but the results painted a very different picture. Number 5. Audi A8. The Audi A8 is another German luxury flagship, known for its Quattro all-wheel drive system and advanced safety features. It seemed like an invincible fortress. However, truck collision results shocked many. Despite its advanced driver assistance technology, the physical structure failed to protect the rear cabin in direct truck side impacts. Crumpling doors and compromised airbag deployment led to alarming test scores. It was a harsh reminder that technology alone cannot replace raw structural strength in extreme collisions. Number 4. Jaguar XJ. The Jaguar XJ has always been a car associated with British elegance and charm. But in crash tests with larger vehicles, the outcome was anything but elegant. The lightweight aluminum body, marketed as a strength, became its weakness when facing the raw power of truck collisions. The cabin showed significant deformation, and while front passengers had moderate protection, the rear section performed poorly. For a brand that prides itself on heritage and prestige, this was a massive blow to its reputation. Number 3. Cadillac CT6. Cadillac launched the CT6 as a true American luxury sedan designed to compete with European giants. And while it offered cutting-edge features, its crash test performance against trucks was underwhelming. The car's safety cage buckled in some scenarios, particularly during side impacts. Rear seat protection fell short, raising serious concerns. Customers expecting a strong tank-like American ride were disappointed to learn that prestige didn't always mean safety supremacy. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Now, this one shocked almost everyone. The Mercedes S-Class is often hailed as the world's best car, with innovations that shaped the entire auto industry. But during certain truck crash test scenarios, its results weren't as flawless as people imagined. While the front safety systems performed well, side and rear impacts from trucks caused concerning cabin intrusions. For a car that often sets the benchmark in luxury and safety, these weaknesses were both unexpected and eye-opening. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Ghost. And here we are, the most shocking name on this list. The Rolls-Royce Ghost, a car that symbolizes ultimate wealth, craftsmanship, and prestige, did not escape destruction in truck crash tests. Despite weighing over 5,000 pounds and costing more than many homes, the Ghost structure showed severe weaknesses under extreme truck collisions. The sheer weight didn't guarantee survival, rear passenger safety was compromised, and cabin integrity suffered under direct impact. This shattered the myth that the most expensive cars in the world automatically provide the highest level of protection. Sometimes, even the most luxurious rides cannot defy the laws of physics. And there you have it, -10 luxury cars that got destroyed in truck crash tests. These results prove a powerful lesson. Price doesn't always equal safety. No matter how luxurious or prestigious the brand, what truly matters is real-world crash performance. So the next time you dream of owning one of these cars, remember, it may look stunning in your driveway, but when it comes to life-saving situations, even the richest ride can fall short. Which car on this list shocked you the most? Was it the Rolls-Royce Ghost? Or maybe the S-Class? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the hidden truths of the automotive world. Because at the end of the day, knowledge is the best safety feature you can have.